Well, hello there, Ingafay here. Super excited to be here with you all today. And today we are going to talk to you about the best eye makeup remover ever, in my opinion. So let's do this, shall we? So when you think about eye makeup remover, one of the first things that I always get when I hear about eye remover is somebody telling me that they want something that will help them take off their waterproof mascara. And the whole reason that we wear the waterproof mascara, right, is so it can last all day. But when we put mascara on our lashes, it's like hairspray. It makes our lashes very brittle and delicate, and it can be really hard to take the mascara off. So it's imperative that we have an eye makeup remover that will remove the waterproof mascara so we don't go to sleep with mascara on our lashes, which will cause us to lose lashes. So today I am going to show you, or really share with you, an eye makeup remover that I absolutely love that will help you remove waterproof mascara. And it is the oil-free eye makeup remover from Mary Kay. Now, the great thing about this, and I've already kind of shaken it so you can't really see, this eye makeup remover has basically two layers in it. One layer is for waterproof mascara, and then the other layer is for regular mascara. So if you are wearing either, you can use this eye makeup remover. And the great thing about it is the first thing you want to do is shake it, because the shaking is bringing both layers together. So it takes care of both eye makeup types. Then it is not only going to help you get off the mascara, but it's also going to help you get off eyeshadow, eyeliner. It can also be used to take off lipstick. Really, any eye color cosmetics, it will help take off. But we're just going to show what it did for some eyeshadow. Now, I put some eyeshadow here on my hand so you can actually see it work, because I'm not ready to take off my makeup at this point. But I've shaken up the eye makeup remover, and I'm going to immediately just take it off. Now, it just takes it off with an ease. And see how easily that came off? And as you can see, it's no longer on my hand. Now, why this? I like this because as a person that has oily skin, I have tried in the past to remove eye makeup with oil. And that's not really good for me because I'm already naturally oily. And I have found that when I use oil, it makes my skin oily and it causes me to break out, number one. Two, the oil can kind of get in my eyes and make it burn. Three, it's messy, okay? And you saw how easily that was when I came in and just took it right off. So of course, the first thing you do is shake it up. The second step would be to put it on a cotton ball and then to just gently remove. Now, when it comes to your eyes are already delicate, right? And any kind of tugging and pulling on your eyes could leads to wrinkles. So you want to have something that you can do that doesn't require you to pull or tug. Well, this is definitely the product that will allow you to do that. No pulling, no tugging, and it definitely comes off. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking, well, girl, you sell Mary Kay and you'll probably say anything to get a sale. So for those of you that may be thinking that, I am going to show you actually a review from some other folks that have tried the product and have given their opinion. We have these review snapshots. It's over 101 reviews, and this particular product is rated a 4.9 out of 5. And out of the 101 folks that actually reviewed this product, 98% of the folks said that they would share this product with a friend. Some of the first comments are, it's the best eye makeup remover. It was great, and she would highly recommend it for a friend. Then the next one says the oil-free eye makeup remover she tried. She gave it 5 stars, and she's been using the product for years to remove mascara and shadow, and it's so gentle and thorough. And then the next one says it does the job even on waterproof mascara, y'all. See, take my word for it. Don't take just my word for it. Take VL's word from it, from Frisco, Texas. And it says it doesn't dry the skin around her eyes. And it's great for removing temporary eyebrow tattoos. So again, I wanted to show you this so you would know it's not just me saying that it's great. You have actual customers that are sharing their testimonials as well. So if you're looking for eye makeup remover that is one, oil free, that you don't have to tug, you don't have to pull to get your eye makeup off. It's going to remove waterproof mascara. In addition to, what did she say? Non-permanent eyebrow tattoos, if that's what you want to do. It's going to get it off. So I'm going to put the link to this in the description so you can get yours today. For those of you that are watching, grab this as fast as you can, because I do have a little special if you do this in the next 2 days of you watching this video. So take advantage of this so you can get a discount on some mascara, but you got to watch this video in the first 2 days that it's actually been launched and that you are able to take advantage of this deal. So don't delay. Check out the link in the description today, and we'll see you next time. So you'll get the best eye makeup remover ever, and then get a half price mascara as well. Okay. All right. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.